The mysterious swamps of New Orleans have long fascinated people from around the world. These eerie landscapes have been shrouded in mystery, and their cultural significance and allure are undeniable. Welcome to Travel with the Hales as we dive into the eerie depths of the New Orleans swamps. When you start the tour, you'll go under the historic West Pearl River Bridge. It is a vertical lift bridge that was built in 1933, but sadly is now closed. The tour is approximately 90 minutes long, and today we'll witness wildlife, bayous, the plants, the alligators, the birds, and other fascinating wildlife. The swamps of New Orleans have rich history steeped in folklore and mythology. The area is home to numerous tribes who revered the swamps as sacred places and full of mystical powers. The swamps also played a significant role in the development of jazz music, with many famous musicians drawing inspiration from the swamps and the unique rhythmic sounds. The swamps are also home to a vast array of biodiversity and species such as alligators, birds, and fish, calling this area home. Travel tip: bring your bug spray and use the restroom before boarding that boat. There's really not a bad time to go on the tour, but during the summer months, morning and evening tours are a little cooler. People who live on the bayou are typically referred to as Cajuns, descendants of French-speaking Acadians who migrated to the southern Louisiana from Nova Scotia, and they're known for their resilient, self-reliant nature, unique Cajun cuisine, vibrant culture, and close connection to the water and the swampy bayou environment, where they often fish and trap animals for subsistence. They are often considered to be very community-oriented and proud of their heritage. Is it worth going on a swamp tour? I'd say yes, for the first-time visitor to New Orleans. It's a nice change to go beyond the vibrant life of Bourbon Street. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey, and we truly appreciate if you would subscribe, like, and comment on the videos by Travel with the Hales, where curiosity, exploring, and travel all meet together.